Look at this wonderful Rubik's Cube. Let's start drawing. Start with the outline and then make a hexagon-like shape. Now we create the small squares. Slowly and steadily. There will be a total of 9 squares on each side. Keep going. Amazing! It's time to darken the border. Let's paint! Begin with blue. Woohoo! Then green on the square, right there. Orange next to it. You got it. Now red. And then yellow. And now white. Fill the remaining sides with similar colors. This looks so colorful! Keep painting! Good job! We're almost done. There we go! We are done coloring our glitter Rubik's Cube. Great job, kids! See you next time!
Subscribe and watch more.